We've travelled to Germany, specifically Blech Expo 2019 in Stuttgart. Metal processing, sheet metal bending, forming, pipe bending, etching, fabrication, 10 halls of technology.
Specific machine, the only manual operators are loading and unloading. There is even another version with automatic loading and unloading.
But with the demand for 2.0 radius, we have to look in exactly where are the abrasive materials performing best way. And that is what we are doing here, and also creating a brush that have more density than our normal brush.
It's a high-tech system, a high-tech camera in the system, and a special software which is generated by Weber also. And together the geometry and all holes and everything will be detected. And the gravity will be calculated, and the best pick point will be calculated on itself, on the software.
We use a combination of 4 rotary heads equipped with abrasive lamella brushes. And they are moving in many directions in the same time, so that we can achieve in the end an almost perfect radius in any direction of the parts.
So we take the part, we load the part to a press, and with the press we can do some stamping, some cutting, some whatever we can do with several hydraulic press.
This machine here really stands out. Just look at it, it's an absolutely fantastic looking machine, but it's not just about how good they look. First of all, tell me about the machine, please.
Okay, so first it's a tube. Obviously, it's a tube laser cutting machine. For this one, it's with a 6 kilowatt, and the maximum speed we cut. For example, this one with a 1 millimeter stainless steel, we cut around the speed 500 millimeter per minute. Yes.
But this is a 6 kilowatt laser. What's the most powerful laser you have?
We now have 30 kilowatt. It's a similar machine with this one, but much stronger than this one. This machine, we call it S-series, which means super, start from 6 kilowatt.
Full 5-axis head, so which can cut up to 60 degrees left and right, with infinite rotation, integrated abrasive supply. So it's our latest, let's say, development of the 5-axis head, which we have had for many years, of course.
The only one that we have introduced this kind of technology. This is why the project of the machine itself is a drilling machine. So that's why the drilling head is supported by the twin bridge, and we can apply the thermal cutting solution just outside. So this is why the drilling head, having an additional stroke of 250 millimeter, allow the operation of milling and marking in a very fast way.
So how can you get away with not having guarding on a laser machine?
That's exactly the new thing on this machine. The machine has today a new protective head which has been certified to work without any cover outside. In this way, the operators can really see what is happening in the machine, even without looking at the many different cameras that equip the machine anyhow.
On this machine we can form up to 10 millimeters steel and about 6-7 millimeters stainless steel.
Okay, I was going to ask you about the grade, but obviously you've just answered that. All right, let's press go and see it in action.
We'll do so.
It is very fast because it is built for it. Actually, you need a very stiff machine in order to reach these speeds. You can go fast on a fiber laser, but you have to go fast and keep the tolerances on the part, and that's the difficult part. So you need a very stiff, very heavy machine in order to do that.
Watch and learn here. Look, so starting off here with your sheet metal, and it's any type of metal essentially, going through here, I won't get my hands too close, I'll get told off. That's just flattening it essentially. Then stamping here, then coming through here. It's actually, I say stamping, yeah. And then you've got roll forming here in stages. And then this gentleman's got the best job in the world here. It's cutting it off the profile there. And there you go.
What we see a product. It's called ScanBox. We have a scanner. We are projecting fringes on the surface of the part, and so we get all the information of the part.
The water jet cutting is a cold cutting. That means you have water, high pressure water, which gets added garnet, which then makes the cutting itself. Yeah?
So it's like a sand, isn't it? You have a sand that mixes with the water.
Yeah, that's a deburring machine. You can round edges and make the surface of steel, metal parts.
Just metal parts or plastic parts?
You can also use plastic parts from rapid prototyping. So
yes, so this is our roll bending machine model RB3 CNC. It's a very nice, unique system with a very perfect controlling system. It's very easy to program.